This rider told us that he didn't know what he was thinking. Luckily, he managed to swerve between oncoming vehicles. This biker stumbled across bad accident. Volkswagen driver got out of his car as fast as he could, and he forgot to pull his handbrake on. Check out what happened next.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You can come right here. Come right here.
These bikers were enjoying twisty roads, while woman behind them was impressed by their riding style. Check out what she has to say about it.
You didn't just eat it on that small.
Woo! Hey, you want an autograph? Hey, my boy, yes sir.
Check out one of the most scary trail rides.
Right, it suits you. You gonna start it? Yeah. Just press that. Bit longer. Bit longer. There you go. You pull that one back. I can't believe you fell for that.
Cool. Show me that, bro. Yeah, you're right.
Hey, they make you laugh, right?
We'll have to support the cause, man.
Right on. I
Have a good day, sir.
I'm B, by the way.
B?
B, yeah, for Braxton.
Nice. That's good. That's a good cause.
It makes people laugh. You know, I mean, I'm not really out here like trying to get prostitutes. You know what I'm saying? But
I get it. I get it.
some people it pisses off. You know, I think I'm gonna switch it to broad.
Oh.
Broad, you know.
Oh, dude, I was laughing when I saw that. You know, I was with a big smile.
I know you're all, hey, look, point at the camera. I was all, that's what's up, you know.
That's awesome. All right, good. Have a good day.
This biker will show us the right way on how to behave when you came across motorcycle crash.
Anybody call 911 yet?
Yep, they're on the way.
Okay. Don't move, man.
Yeah, he's not.
Don't move. You want to put your legs down?
He's telling me the wrong
Okay.
Got a gas here.
No, I'm not gonna touch him. Just hang tight. Let's get his bike out of here.
I'm gonna have to wait for everybody else, dude.
You want to help me here?
We're gonna have to wait for everybody else unless you want to move it around.
We just need to get it up so we don't need to hang out. You know, let's help him out. Let's get this shit up and. Okay. His bike actually don't look that bad.
I gotta adjust my neck.
Nope, you got to keep it. That could be a problem. I know you want to adjust it, but we got to leave it, okay? Let the paramedics, let us know if you can move it, okay? Just hang tight, buddy. I know. Here's a little bit more water on your neck.
I fell. It does keep you.
You fell, buddy. Yeah, you got knocked out. Hang out. You're okay. I'm sure you got it on your footage. You check it out later. Your bike is okay, actually. You fell in the mud and flew off, it looked like.
Oh man.
You skid on the hard surface here, so
I don't remember that.
you're gonna be okay.
My bag.
Hey man, we're here. Life happens. That's part of the sport when you do it like this. So
Yeah, that's why I ride with a group.
yeah, we're good here. I told you we'd look out for you.
No, I need to roll on my side.
You can't, Paul. You gotta hang tight, buddy. I know it feels like you need to, but you gotta stay still. You gotta stay still. No. Don't move. Don't move. I know you feel like you need to, but listen, if you have a neck injury, you're gonna hurt it worse.
Yeah, you could sever
So you
the spine
gotta
before.
just chill, okay? I'm not gonna let you do the wrong thing. Okay? I know you're tough, but just chill. Just chill. What's up?
Hey, bud.
Yep.
Just keep holding still, okay? All right. Do me a favor. I want you to put your knees on either side of his head right here, okay? Can you move this arm down for me? I'm just gonna keep it in line like that, okay? How's your breathing feeling?
He was knocked out.
Was he? For
That's
how long?
what he said.
Ever since he crashed, well.
É, amigão, faz isso não, parceiro. Olha, corredorzão, pai. Encosta aí pra gente ver o que que deu.
Bro, that was a close one, huh? That's all right, man. It was close, bro. Hey, no worries, bro. I was like, oh, this is it. I'm gonna meet Jesus in 5, 4. Yup, left. Get out. Go, 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 go.
guys see that guy? He's like, get out of here. Go this way.
One more scary accident, but thankfully everyone was unharmed. It would be perfect to check if your brakes are properly working before going onto the road.
Wait. Don't matter who was driving. I'm driving.
Oh my God. Is everybody good?
Yeah, everybody cool.
Everybody's good?
Yeah, everybody cool.
Alright, bet.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Holy
Brakes went out.
How'd it happen?
His brakes didn't want to work.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh my God. Holy He just smashed the tree?
Yeah.
Holy
Took that bitch out the roof.
dude. That's crazy, bro.
All the way down there.
He lost his brakes.
Get this tree out the road though. How the we gonna do that?
Oh, he pissed.
Hi, we need it, so. No, because we can't have bikes racing with all these leaves all over. Hey! Slow down!
God damn.
Θα σκοτωθεί κανένας με αυτά μες στη μέση.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.